action against the foundation, which was ordered by the Madras High Court, saying that you can't let army or police inside the ashram. Now, the three-judge bench, presided by the Chief Justice of India, has transferred to itself this petition pending in the High Court and directed the police to file a status report in the Supreme Court instead of the High Court. Now, earlier it was the High Court that was hearing a habeas corpus petition by a man who claimed that his two daughters were held by force at this ashram. On the High Court's order, about 200 police personnel had raided the ashram earlier. And even as we get you details of what has been said in the court so far, the Supreme Court has also criticized the High Court order. It had, in fact, said a lot of important things. On your screens are those observations, where it goes on to say that you cannot let the army or the police into an institution like this. It also says two girls told the Supreme Court that they were staying at the ashram voluntarily, at their own volition. It reiterates that girls said that they are free to move around outside too. One of the girls participated in a marathon of 10 kilometers. It's an issue of religious freedom, is what the Supreme Court says, very urgent and serious. The next big observation is that Sadhguru, who is very revered, he has lakhs of followers. It continues to say that the High Court cannot start such inquiries on any kind of oral assertion, unquote. In fact, these observations are coming after the two girls had deposed before the Supreme Court virtually. They contended that their father was harassing them. They said, and I now tell you what these girls have said, what is their contention. They say we are here at the Isha Yoga Center by our own will. We are also told the High Court that we are staying here voluntarily. Harassment from our father's side since the past 8 years is what these girls said. Then it continues to say that we came to the ashram when we were 24 and 27 years old. The BJP has also lashed out at the government here. This is the DMK Congress governor Tamil Nadu of swift police raids carried out at the ashram, saying that this exposes their anti-Sanatan mindset. The DMK has dismissed all those claims.
Enthusiastic, hasty Tamil Nadu police action that was done as a crackdown on Isha Foundation, 150 people bargain at the behest of certain agendas and personally driven, motivated, vested interests of the Tamil Nadu government of DMK Congress. Because we know that their agenda has always been Sanatan Sanatan. Their agenda has always been Sanatan is equal to Bimari, abusing Hindu religion, Hindu Astha, Hindu leaders. The same promptness has never been shown by the alliance towards illegal activities taking place in the name of religion, whether it's missionary activities or other activities. That time they go silent. They say Mathadish is mafia, but they never say anything about Madrasa. They say Devta is not Bhagwan. They don't make commentary about other faiths. They say Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha is Najgana, but they don't say anything like this about other faiths. They say Hindu terror, but they say terrorism has no religion.
Hindu politician, the DMK government is an anti-Sanatan government. His son had said that Sanatan is like dengue, malaria, AIDS. The action on Jaggi Vasudev Sadhguruji's ashram was purely inspired for the DMK government's Hindu hate, malice and vindictiveness. The stay by Supreme Court is welcome. The DMK government could not digest the fact that Jaggi Vasudev Sadhguruji was speaking against forced religious conversion and was speaking for Sanatan.
Courts directed. So it is for the court to decide. The matter is sub judice. What can I comment on that? Because I don't know. There was a complaint, I have heard that there was a complaint made against Isha Foundation, but if the court had given certain directions, anybody has to follow that. And if any comment will be on matters which is sub judice. The DMK has nothing to say on that.
Phone line with more details. Tharani, is any response we've heard from the state government yet? Because the BJP has kind of hit out at the government, saying that this is an anti-Sanatan government. The reason why they have, pandered to a lot of those anti-Hindu sentiments and gone ahead to target Jaggi Vasudev. Tharani, can you hear us?
I'm aware that not of the action is present, not against
Okay, apologies. Some trouble there connecting with our colleague